Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jollof mix. To begin, selecting the right ingredients is key for an authentic taste. You will need about 5 medium tomatoes, 1 large red bell pepper, and 1 medium onion for the vibrant base. Don't forget a few cloves of garlic, a piece of fresh ginger, and 1 or 2 Scotch bonnet peppers for that signature warmth. Also, have 2 cups of long grain rice and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil ready. Now let's build that rich jollof flavor. First, blend your fresh tomatoes, bell peppers, half an onion, ginger, garlic, and the Scotch bonnet pepper into a smooth puree. In a large pot, heat about 1/3 cup of oil and gently sauté the other half of your chopped onion until it softens. Then, stir in 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, frying it for a few minutes to deepen its color and taste. Finally, add your blended mixture, letting it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring frequently. Achieving perfectly cooked rice is crucial for jollof. Start by rinsing 2 cups of long grain rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Next, season your simmering sauce with 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Stir in the washed rice, making sure each grain is coated. Then, add 2½ cups of chicken or vegetable stock and 2 bay leaves. Cover the pot tightly and cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once your rice is cooked, turn off the heat and let it rest covered for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the rice to steam perfectly. Then, gently fluff the jollof rice with a fork to separate the distinct grains. For a final touch, you can garnish it with some fresh chopped green onions or cilantro. Your flavorful, smoky jollof rice is now ready to be enjoyed. It's wonderful on its own or paired with your favorite protein.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.